Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Facebook professional mode inside your Facebook profile. Now, this video is specifically for those who would like to turn on the Facebook's professional mode, but this option isn't showing inside your Facebook account. So I'll be walking you through 5 steps that you can take to turn on your Facebook professional mode even if that option isn't showing. We're going to go through all 5 steps in different videos on this channel. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I post a new chapter of this video. And if you take all of these 5 steps, I guarantee you will be able to turn on the Facebook professional mode right away. So let's dive right in. So guys, in my previous video, I've shown you how to appeal for your professional dashboard not showing using the Facebook support center. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to appeal using the email request, that is sending an email to Facebook as regards to the issue of your Facebook professional mode not showing. So for you to do that, these steps are quite simple. You will come on your email like so. Once you're on your email like so, you click on compose. Once you click on compose, then you will have to send an email to Facebook laying a complaint about your professional mode not coming up. So with this email request, you'll be sending an email to Facebook notifying them that your profile does not have the professional mode on it. So for you to do that, you have to type in the Facebook email here, which is the support as fb.com. I have it on my sticky note. I'll also be leaving it on my description below so that you can copy for accuracy. So you'll be pasting that here like so. So once you have this, for the subject line, I also recommend you use this as your subject line, which is Facebook professional mode not showing. So I'll also be leaving that on my description below so you can copy this like so. So once you copy, you can paste it here like this. So for the body is quite simple. I also have a script for that, which is this. You're going to copy this script like so. I'll also be leaving this script on my description below so you can paste the script here like so. So once you have the script here, you will have to copy your Facebook profile link and insert it here like so. So how do you get your Facebook profile link? You go to your Facebook like so, you come on your profile like so, you click on it. So once you're on your profile like so, you click on this link like so, then you can copy this. This is it. You can paste it here like so. So once you have this is all set up, then the final thing, you have to include your name on which you use on your Facebook account like so. Once you do that, the next thing you need to do now is to get a screenshot of your account. For example, you on your Facebook profile like so, you click on this 3 dot icon here. So once you're on this page like so, you can take a screenshot of this page and upload it on your email like so. So for that, I already had a screenshot which I took earlier, so we'll be uploading it now. Once you take a screenshot, you click on attachment like so. Once you click on attachment, then you have the screenshot here like so. So you select the screenshot like this. So once you get a screenshot and it has been uploaded, so this is it, then you can send this to Facebook. And once you do that, the person attending to you will actually see on your screenshot that you don't have the Facebook professional mode on your profile. And hopefully this step will take about few days for Facebook to review and get back to you, and this issue hopefully will be resolved as soon as possible. So this is number 2 of the 5 ways which we can request for your Facebook professional mode not showing. So in my next video, I'll be showing you the 3rd way, which is the name compliance. So that's what I've got for you in this video. If you have any question about getting your Facebook professional mode turned on, go ahead and leave those questions in the comments below. I'm very excited to assist, so if you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more amazing content like so. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.